Write down delta star method. Delta star method. Okay. Remember, delta means triangle. Any triangle shape. Delta means this. This one resistance, this one resistance, this one resistance. Triangle shape. Triangle shape. Okay. This convert a star. The star means this shape. This. So this one resistance. In between one resistance, one between one resistance. This resistance. The question given this form R. Question given this form of this delta. You convert a star. You convert. Tell me. Delta, you convert a star. So any question, delta star method means delta convert a star. So this value R, so maybe this value R. So R dash. Yeah, R1 consider R1, R2, R3. So R1 dash. R1 dash. So R1 dash is equal to this is delta. First understand. This is delta. Convert a star. The value change. So this is R1. So this is R1 dash. So this R1 dash is equal to these two multiply what value? R2 into R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Understand? Understand? Of this R2, this is R2 dash. R2 dash. So what value? Tell me. What value? Lachita, what value? Lachita. So this value R2. So this into this. So R1 into R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Understand? Of this is R3. R3 dash. So what value? Tell me. R3 dash. So this value R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Understand? So any question delta star method, delta type question given, you convert a star, the value change. Lachita, you understand? Cannot understand? 100% understand. To tell me any question, any point doubt, inform me. Cannot understand, sir. Any question, delta star method type, delta type question. Delta means triangle type question. Triangle type question. This convert the star, the value will be changed, sir. So what change? This is R1. So R1 dash. Remember R1. So R1 dash is equal to this into this by total R1 plus R2 plus R3. R2 dash is equal to this into this by total add. R3 dash is equal to this into this by total add. Understand? Write down. Write down. Siddharth, understand?
Yes.
Tell me minimum yes sir. Tell me sir. Minimum yes sir, no sir, no sir to 99 point no student. Only yes sir, yes sir. Complete to inform me. Complete to inform me. Of this question solve. Write down. Lachita, write down. Sanjay, understand? Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Balaji, what name? Naveen Sukas, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This question solve all students. Find the equivalent resistance. Find the equivalent resistance A to B. Find the equivalent resistance A to B. All value R. Solve this question. all value R. Solve this question. Find the equivalent resistance A to B. Nitya, you understand?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yesterday, one student come. Yesterday, new admission, 11th student. This student Chennai Narayana study. 3 lakhs, 2 lakh I given. After 3 months study, but nothing. Chennai Narayana Academy, Chennai. Again, come this place. This student father my friend, sir. This student father my friend. Again, not come this way. Go another place. Again. Which method? No. First, delta star this place apply. All should remember delta star this place. So this question convert delta star. So this is delta, the star. So this to same, this same, no change. Only this point start delta star. So your question this always understand. All should understand, sir. Your question, your diagram this delta na a star. This question convert a star. Understand? So this value convert this any value R. So this R dash. So what value? R into R square plus by R plus R plus R. What value? 3R. Then what value? R by 3, R by 3, R by 3. Understand? Yes or no? Now this. So this connected this or this connected this. Yes or no? This is A. Of this, disconnected this, disconnected this. This is B. Clear? Yes, sir. This R. Understand? Lakshita, understand? Lakshita?
Yep.
Understand? Na? All should understand? Sanjay? Sanjay Balaji, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this diagram, this diagram right now, this this current go divide how many part? 2 part. This current divide 2 part. This A, so this one part or this one part. Yes or no? Both value R. This is series. So this is series. Understand? So this is R by 3. Of this point or this point joined. So this point joined. Understand? This is R by 3. Clear? Of this both are series. So this R or this R. Or this also R. So this is R by 3, R. This is B. Understand this line? Understand this line? Yes or no? Of this rough sum. Of this add. This is series. So what value? This add. What value? R plus R by 3. R plus R by 3. Series.
4R by 3.
So this is add. So 4R by 3. Yes or no? 4R by 3. This also 4R by 3. 4R by 3. Remember, this by this equal, na? So what value? 4R by 3 by R, 4R by 3 by R equal, na? So what value? Which concept apply? Which concept apply?
Wheatstone.
Wheatstone bridge.
This current not passing, sir. So next diagram, this, yes or no? Yes or no? This is 4R by 3, 4r by 3 r. This is A or this is B. अब solve this question. This series and both parallel. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. This type question asks competition. This type question have SC Burma book, sir. This book SC Burma, you open the SC Burma book, this type question available, sir. Final answer, what answer? Final answer. Balaji
8r
Sanjay.
by 7, sir.
8r by 7.
8r by 7.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't know what answer. I don't know. Write down. Lachita, solve this question. Lachita, solve this question. What answer? Say the answer. All students typing answer. Answer 8r by 11. Hinduja,
I got that only, sir.
wrong answer. You got the wrong answer, na? What answer? Your answer? 8r by 7. All students 8r by 7. Wrong, check. Where mistake?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Tell me, Nitya.
sir, 7 by 8 are, sir.
Like beat, na? 8r by 7. Na? This is parallel. So what value? What value? 3 LCM.
Sir, sorry, sir. I
8r.
forgot to
8r by
reciprocal,
3.
sir.
This is R. Parallel. This is series. So this is parallel. So 1 by 8r by 3 plus 1 by r. LCM 8r. This series. So 8r by 3. This is series. So 2r. Both are parallel. So what answer? 1 by 8r by 3 plus 1 by 2r. Yes, sir. Take LCM. What LCM? 8r LCM. So this is 3 plus 4. 8r by 7 answer. 8r by 7. Very good student. I don't know all students. One question I give one question 2 plus 3. Also 4 option comes. Simple question I given 1, 2 plus 3. One student told 5, one student 7, one student 6. Beat Induja. This is
Sorry,
not-
sir. Now only I saw, sir.
No, actually not sorry, sir. I preparation competition, sir. I all student preparation competition. This type mistake, so competition also mistake, na? You go you see, exam IIT, you told IIT exam question very easy, sir. After result, you not qualify. So I understand what your mistakes, sir. Because classroom this type mistake, exam time same mistakes, sir. Understand? Class time same this addition subtraction mistake. So exam time also mistakes, sir. So this mistake first all student. Okay, next point I don't. Next point I don't. Short circuit method. Next point I don't.
Sir, now only complete.
Sorry. Circuit method. Next I don't. Circuit method. Actually, circuit method. Write down circuit method. Actually, circuit method book, your book, 2 type questions, sir. Circuit method name, circuit method, my question concept circuit method. But book, you open the book, this name Kirchhoff's law. Topic name, right now? Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's. Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law. book name Kirchhoff's law, comparison name circuit law. Both same. So Kirchhoff's law two types, sir. Kirchhoff's law two type. First write on. Kirchhoff's first law. Kirchhoff's first law. Kirchhoff's first law. Kirchhoff's first law or loop or junction law. Kirchhoff's first law or junction law, both same. Any teacher asks the question, what is Kirchhoff's law? So you remember junction. What is junction? You know Salem Junction, railway line junction, Salem Junction. So what is junction? Simple general knowledge. What is junction? Some train and some train means Salem. This is Salem Junction. Same concept. Physics or this is Salem Junction. Some train come na, or some train. 1 point. This is 1 point. 1 point. This 1 point some current output or some current in. Understand? Yes or no? So, understand? So what is junction? So junction actually this is a bus stand junction. Salem Junction. So junction means some buses come. Some train, same. Some current output or some current input. Understand? Junction means this. Logically, junction means this. Logically, exam time forget junction. Remember Salem Junction. Remember any junction. Salem to Chennai. Chennai to Salem. Yeah? Salem to Chennai. Output input. Outgoing. Bangalore to Salem. What? Income. Outgoing, incoming. This is understand. Same. Some current. This is known as junction. Understand? Yes or no? So write down. First law. So write down. The algebraic sum. SUM sum. Algebraic. The algebraic sum of the current. Bracket input bracket close. Input means input current equal to sum of current bracket output. Understand? Means remember, this is junction. Okay. More junction. These two junctions. A junction. This is Salem Junction. Or this is Coimbatore Junction. Two junctions. Okay. Some current. Some this is. Understand? Yes or no? Or this go this place. Again. Yes or no? Yes. So S point. How many junction? Two. So one by one, not both. One first this. How many input current? This consider I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. So how many S point? How many input current? Name. I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4. Sum of input is equal to sum of output. Of this place, how many input current? Two. Name. I5 plus this also na. I4 plus this also na. This also input na. So plus I7. Understand? Equal to I6. Understand? Understand? Cannot understand? So this is always remember Kirchhoff's first law. Sum of input current is equal to sum of output. Enough. Remember, keep forget. Exam time ask the question. Board exam. IIT also ask the question. What is Kirchhoff's first law? Understand? Correct na? Naveen, correct na? Naveen,
Yes, sir.
IIT asked na, what is Kirchhoff's law? I beat all it. Okay, right answer. Not ask the question. IIT this type. What is definition? Definition not ask the question. Sir. Okay, right on. No. Hey, this type question. IIT ask. This is a board exam. This asks. This NEET student. Short circuit NEET. Delta star IIT. Kirchhoff's law also IIT need both, but not definition. Second law, not first law. Second law is the question. First law not ask the question. Right down. Sanjay Balaji, understand?
Yes, sir.
Today no time pass na Sanjay. Sanjay Balaji. Today no time pass na. This student told, sir, you revising means time pass. Why unnecessary revise? What?
Sir, not like that, sir.
I'm wrong.